Hi boys and girls, happy Thursday. We're going to start off our lesson with our rhymes. I'm going to say 2 words that rhyme. You're going to try to think of some more. All right, here we go. Dark park. So let's think. Dark, park, shark, spark, lark. Those all rhyme. All right, the rest of them I'm going to have you try on your own, okay? So repeat after me and then think of your own. Chest, west. Neat, sweet. Vote, moat. Great. The next ones are onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words that start with the same sound. Well, if they start with the same sound, give me a thumbs up. If they don't start with the same sound, give me a thumbs down. Here we go. Near, noise. Yep, they start with n. Absent, action. Reach, march. Else, elf. Tell, time. Great. All right, we're going to keep going here. The next one, you need your choppers. We are blending, so repeat after me. Bet, bet. Fell. Hen. Egg, peg. Okay, next one, our roller coaster. We're going to be listening for that middle sound. Watch me, then you make your own roller coaster. Pan, Middle sound. Good. Den, Middle sound. Fill, Middle sound. Good. Sock, Middle sound. Run, Middle sound. Excellent. Next, we are going to need our choppers again. We're blending the other way. Word first, then segment. All right, here we go. Sob, sob. Rock, rock. Not, not. Pod, pod. Job, job. Excellent. Next thing we're doing, we're adding, so you need your hands. We're going to start with an ending and add a beginning. Repeat after me. At. Add hat. An. Add van. Ag. Add lag. App. Add nap. An. Add Dan. Great. Next one is deleting. You're going to hold a word in your hands, then we're going to take a piece away from that word, okay? Here we go. Got. Without, got. Without g, what's left is ought. Fox. Without f, what's left is ox. Cop. Without k, what's left is op. Hot. Without h, what's left is ought. Palm. Without p, what's left is Good. Now we're going to do our substituting. So you need your fists, and we're going to be switching out the first sound. All right, so our first word is cut. Change k to b. But. But. Change b to n. Nut. Nut. Change n to h. Hut. Hut. Change h to p. Put. Put. Change p to k. Cut. Great. All right, and our last thing we're going to do is our rhyme. The one I'm picking today is Jack be nimble. So listen to me, and then you try to say it. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Your turn. That was a short one today. Nice job with it. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.